a sweet act. Akbar enjoyed asking his courtiers strange questions to test their intelligence. One day, he asked, "How should I treat a person who pulls my mustache?" All the courtiers were taken aback. After a while, one of them said, "Your Majesty, such a person should be in jail." Another courtier said, "No, Your Majesty, such a person should be beaten." But other courtiers disagreed and said, "Your Majesty, how dare someone pull your mustache? Such a person deserves a death sentence." Birbal was listening to everyone. Just then, Akbar asked, "Birbal, what do you think?" "Your Majesty, such a person should be given sweets," said Birbal with a smile. Akbar was surprised. He said, "Birbal, why do you say this?" Birbal said, "Yes, Your Majesty. None can pull your mustache except your grandson. So he should be given sweets." Everyone laughed out loud. Birbal always spread happiness with his positive thinking. The pots of ghee. Birbal was a clever man. Not only did he save innocent lives, but he also solved many problems and caught dishonest people. One day, two ghee merchants came to Akbar's court. The first merchant said, "Your Majesty, this man had borrowed money from me. After a few months, I asked him to return the money, but he denied having borrowed any money." The second merchant said, "Your Majesty, I haven't taken any money." Birbal came up with a plan to catch the cheat between them. He asked his servants to fill 2 pots with ghee. He placed 2 gold coins in each pot and gave it to them. "Weigh these pots and give them back," he said. The first merchant returned the pot with the gold coin. However, the second merchant returned the pot of ghee without the gold coin. Birbal found out that the second merchant was dishonest and punished him. Birbal the Irreplaceable. One day, Hussain, one of Akbar's courtiers, told him, "Birbal has been your trusted courtier for long. Please give me a chance." Akbar replied, "You must prove yourself. Accompany Birbal to Burma and give my letter to the king." Birbal and Hussain left for Burma. Birbal gave the letter to the king, who read it and said, "Akbar wants me to hang you on a full moon night." Birbal whispered his plan to Hussain. The king treated them graciously until the fateful night. On the full moon night, Hussain said, "Hang me first." Birbal said, "No, hang me first." The king asked, "Why are you so eager to die?" Birbal answered, "Whoever is hanged first will be reborn as the king of Burma." The king was petrified. He sent them back to Akbar. Akbar asked, "Hussain, are you ready to replace Birbal?" Hussain said, "No, Your Majesty. Birbal is very intelligent. He is irreplaceable." The gift of Eid. It is a well-known fact that Akbar was a generous king. On the eve of Eid, he announced, "Eid is a time to enjoy with friends and family. Hence, tomorrow is a holiday. Enjoy the festival with your loved ones. But before you leave, pick a gift." He pointed to a table, which was heaped with expensive gifts. The courtiers thanked Akbar and rushed towards the table. But Birbal stayed behind. When everyone had taken their pick and left, Birbal went towards the table. Only one gift remained: a silver platter. He picked it up and covered it with a piece of cloth. Akbar asked, "Why did you cover it? Don't you like it?" Birbal said, "Your Majesty, if I carry an empty platter, people will say your riches have decreased." Akbar said, "Birbal, you always think about me first." He took off his pearl necklace and put it on Birbal's silver platter. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.